Hey guys, welcome back. I decided today, since my days this week kind of got flipped around, everything that I was supposed to do today got moved to tomorrow. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to do like a whole kind of beauty reset situation. I just got back from a run, hence why I'm looking a little crazy at the moment. It's like 90 degrees outside, so I was dying. But now I'm going to basically do all the things. I'm going to do like a deep shower. I'm going to shave everything, including my face. I'm going to do a self tan to kind of get myself just like ready for the week. I also haven't done like an at-home tanning situation in what feels like probably a year. So I'm super excited. I feel like I always feel like my best and the most confident when I'm tan, and I feel like you guys can probably relate to me, even though I don't really spend much time in the sun. So this step is necessary to get me to where I want to be. But that being said, I'm going to take you guys along and show you all of the products I'm using and the different steps that I take in the order that I do them in to get the best results. So now I'm gonna go jump in the shower. I have to do like a full body exfoliation, wash my hair, and just get like prepped and ready for this tan. I also need to shave my face. So let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I finished with my shower and I already feel so much better, but we're not done. So first I had to put my hair up to get it out of the way. It's still wet. I'm gonna blow it out after I apply the tan. So post shower, I just put this product in my hair. This is like my new obsession. And I already went ahead and I shaved the areas of my face that I wanted to take care of before I put the tanner on my face. This is the product that I use to shave my face. I got like a pack of 20 or something at Whole Foods, and I think they only sell one pink one. So if you're looking for a recommendation, this is a really good one. I'll also link my favorite down below. I have a whole video. It's one of my shorts on how I shave my face at home. So if you guys want to see more on how I use that, like a tutorial and the products that I use, you can find it there. But going into the tan, I am going to start by adding some moisture, like a light body lotion to drier areas of my skin, mostly concentrating on like elbows, knees, hands, and feet, anywhere where like discoloration can happen. And then what I'm using today is by Bepanthen. This is the 2-Hour Express, the Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in medium. And then for my face, I have not tried this yet. I'm a Tan Luxe girl. I love their tanning drops for the face. So I'm trying their Deluxe Face Tan in shade medium. And those both will take 2 hours to process, but for the actual application, I'm using this Mitt by also Bepanthen. But then for trickier areas like hands and places where there's more like nooks and crannies, I like to use, I think it's called a kabuki brush. This one I'm pretty sure is just from like Target or something, but I always use this when I'm applying my tan. I feel like it just helps to really like smooth things out, and I just apply on here, or if I have enough already on the surface, I'll just smooth everything out in circular motions. The self tanner though that I have been using for years and have always sworn by is by TROPEZ. This is the advanced 1-hour tan, but you can leave it for 2-3 hours. So this is their Self Tan Express. My only beef with this product, but also why I like it, is that it's a very fine mist. So I feel like I can almost give myself like an at-home spray tan, which is lovely. But I have found that it can also create such a mess. I usually, when I do use this, use it in the shower or like a bathtub, or at least the bathroom, because the amount of fall and like product that like gets all over the place when I'm spraying this is kind of absurd. I'm like slipping in a puddle of self tanner. It's not a pretty situation, so I've pivoted and started to try new products because of this. But if I have someone that can apply my tan for me, this is always what I suggest. I'll make sure to link all of these products for you guys down in the description. But now I'm gonna go put on this tan and I will check back with you guys once I'm finished. Okay, I finished the application. That was actually way quicker than I remember it being. Hence, I'm gonna have to do this more often. But I'm really interested to see how the color turns out on the face, how it kind of matches with the body, how long it lasts, and just like the overall smoothness, especially around like the hairline, my eyebrows. I feel like that's when things can go wrong. So we'll see how that goes. In the meantime, I'm going to do my hair really quick. I'm gonna blast the AC in this room so I don't accidentally like sweat any of this tanner off because of the heat from the blow dryer. And then while I'm doing that, I'm going to use the Lumineau teeth whitening strips. I love these and I need to get back in the habit of using these regularly because my two guilty pleasures in this life, I probably have more than two, but two of my favorite like beverages are Americano, like a black coffee espresso, and then red wine. And I know that does no favors for my teeth. So I definitely need something that I can use to help whiten my teeth. And this does that without any irritation, sensitivity. Whereas I feel like the competing teeth whitening strips, they always leave my teeth feeling so sensitive the next day. So I'm gonna put these on, go do my hair, and then hopefully not too long after I can shower this off and we'll be brand new. Okay guys, the 2 hours is up. I let it sit. I did my teeth whitening strips and so far I'm super happy with the color. Like even the fade from my arm to my hand looks really nice. There's no like blotchiness, and I definitely need to do a few more sessions of the teeth whitening, but I can already notice a big difference after doing it the one time. But now I'm gonna go shower this off and I will see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, the tanning session is done. I got out of the shower and immediately I lathered myself with the Kiehl's. This is the Creme de Corpse. It's amazing. It's like butter. And I think there's two very important components when it comes to having like a long lasting, really nice spray tan and self tan. And those are exfoliating and moisturizing. Like every day forward with your tan, moisturizing is so important. So that is definitely how I'm going to be taking care of my tan as of right now for the color. It's very natural. It feels like just a really nice, like natural glow. But I also know that tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'm going to be like 2 shades darker. So this as of right now, I'm super happy with. I've noticed that anytime I use the Loving Tan on my body, I never notice any streaks or any imperfections, which is kind of revolutionary for self-tanners. If you've like been through all the trial and error, then you know it can be very frustrating after spending all of that time doing it just to end up with like very noticeable imperfections in your tan. For the Deluxe face tan that I was telling you guys about, this was my first time using it. I used it in medium. I left it on for full 2 hours, maybe even a little bit longer, and I'll have to report back on the color tomorrow. But as of right now, similar effect, very natural color. Formulation though is really nice because it's more of like a face moisturizer. So when I was using it, it felt much easier to blend in and kind of get more of a seamless look than other products that I've tried. But I'm so happy, especially because I wear so many dresses and skirts and whatnot here. I feel like now I just feel like I belong instead of being the ghostly outcast. It is the next day. I wanted to come on and do a final check-in and show you guys how the color has developed. Super natural, gorgeous tan. No, I'm not like a bronzed goddess, but this is like for me the perfect everyday kind of color. I love it. I actually have like contrast when I wear white now instead of just being white on white, which is amazing. And I have to say I'm actually impressed with how the face tan has lasted, because usually after washing my face a few times it fades away really quickly. In this one I've already washed multiple times and I still see kind of like great color matching between my body and my face. But I just wanted to jump on and say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I'll link everything down below for you. If you have any questions for me, feel free to ask those as well. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in the next one.